to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, during a trip to Florence, we had the pleasure of staying at Hotel Silla. Initially, we were drawn to this hotel for its parking facilities, but we were really pleasantly surprised by the overall experience. As we entered the hotel, we were impressed with its charming entrance and beautiful reception. Check-in was swift and then we were promptly shown to our room. Initial impressions of the room were great. It felt really spacious. There was a desk, a comfortable seating area, a convenient bar fridge, but I was particularly pleased with the window. It had great views. The bathroom had additional toiletries, which was a thoughtful touch. It appeared clean and well maintained. There was a large bed in the center of the room which faced onto a TV, and there were plugs on either side. The bed looked so comfortable we were ready for a restful night's sleep after our long journey to Florence. The following morning we headed down for our breakfast in a beautiful room. The selection was great and it had all the Italian trimmings, including bacon and eggs that were cooked upon request. And of course, the essential espresso. We spent 2 nights at Hotel Silla before it was time for us to continue on our Italian road trip. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying at Hotel Silla. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.